Robotic milking with free cow traffic. One of the key elements, of course, herein is feeding, because we need to entice that cow to go to the robot by herself. She needs to be rewarded to go to the robot, and she needs to crave those concentrates, those pelleted concentrates that we want to give into the robot. So how to obtain this? If you look at the graph here, I'm drawing on the x-axis the lactation days. On the y-axis it's energy. So when a cow, when she calves, of course, her energy needs will increase, and then later on they will decrease towards the end of lactation, and that will be the evolution. So what happens is that we want to give those cows concentrates. On a normal herd with a regular milking parlor, cows will be fed at the feed bunk for the average milk production of the herd, and sometimes even +5 or +10%. If we do it in this case, then this would be the line, and then only the cows here would be needing those concentrates. The cows after this line, those cows actually are fed according to this line, but they don't need that much energy, so these cows can eat everything at the feed bunk. So how can we make sure that these cows also go to the robot? Because if they do not go to the robot, those are cows we need to fetch twice a day. We need to lower the energy at the feed bunk. We actually take away some of the energy from the feed bunk and feed it into the robot. If we do it like that, we lower the content of energy there to this level. Then all of these cows need the concentrates in the robot, and not just this little group. So this will make that if we have cows to collect, it will only be a very small portion of cows here at the end of lactation. So that's why we have the basic rule of thumb, is that the energy that we feed the feed bunk should be sufficient for the average milk production of the herd minus 7 kilograms. So in this example, if we say that this herd is on average yielding 30 kilograms of milk, we distract 7 kilograms. So at the feed bunk, we should feed a ration which contains energy for 23 kilograms.